To rank our blog on the top of the Google, it's too difficult nowadays. Basically, to rank our blog on the top of the Google, we have to do SEO. To do SEO, we need a keyword. So that will help our blog to rank on the Google. And to get a keyword, we have to purchase a keyword tools, which is like ahrefs tools, SMrush, and so many others. And that tool's price is more than the $100. So to find the keyword, today I bring one of the best tools, good nice tools which I am also using sometimes for my blog. And I was when I was beginning at that time I was also using for that. I will tell you step by step that how can you use that tools, and there is only not two keyword, only one keyword you can research. So there is a multiple feature is there in that website. So I will share you all those things, and for the YouTube also I will share you how can you find. Otherwise I have other video for the YouTube for the I will create other video, and that I will link give you in the description. Just check it out from there, and otherwise you can go through on the I button and you can find from there. So before then that I will show you my blog which is ranking on the first page of the Google. In the search bar you can type my programming school, and if you type there and just press enter, and if you press the enter, then you can see all my blog will be in the my post will be on there. You can see already I am already searched, so you can see this is my first, this which is in the first top of the Google, on the first page of the Google. So you can see this, and below you are seeing this more. If you click on here, and then you can find more related my blog. All post will be my related post will be here displayed. So you can check it out from there. All those things you can scroll and you can see all those things. And okay, so you can you already now you saw this. Also, actually, I used keyword from there, and I am using in my blog also. Okay, so you can check all those posts to be here. You can see all those things will be here. This is related to my actually programming language, so you can find, and if you have anybody, you can read it there. And if you want to know how I am using the keyword in my post, so go and search my post, all post, go and so analyze my post, how I am using the keyword, where I am using the keyword. So go and search. Otherwise you can comment down below. I will make the video how I am using that all keyword in my post. So okay, so let's go start which tools that is first. Hi there, my name is Pramod and you are watching My Programming School. And if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel for the more information. So let us start. Go and type H super tools in the search bar, and you can see the first link. Just go and click there. Okay, if you click on there, and then you will find this, you will come to this page, and if you go on the SEO, you will see the keyword keyword tools, keyword research tools, and another is bulk keyword. uh, okay, and another is like questions. Okay, question explorer. Each and every three step is there. Each and everything I will explain is one by one. Okay, so first we will go on the keyword research. Okay, keyword research tools. So here you can see the search bar is there. Just go and click there and type your keyword. Okay, whichever you want the keyword, just type there. I'm typing Python, and I'm clicking on the search. Okay, after that you will fill the captcha. Just click on the captcha, fill it, and then oh, it's not completing. Again click on that. Okay, just wait just a second, it will take a time. uh, when it will complete, then I will show you all the process what we have to do. Just click on that, it's complete. Then check this okay, red cross. Just fill all this captcha. Okay, select this all. Whatever they will tell you, just fill the captcha and then verify it. Okay, just click on the verify and then verify it. Okay, if now it's completed, then again click on the search. So if you click on the search, then it will start it to search. So you just scroll down and you will see the targeted keyword research. Okay, keyword result, they will display what is the keyword you found. Like I typed Python, so that keyword, paid competition, CPC, and SEO difficulties, they will that will display to here. Okay, now you can see this is Python. Search, search volume is 3 million, and low competition is there, paid competition that is actually, and CPC is $1.17. Okay, and SEO difficulty is high, actually 75. It may be approximately, it's showing, but maybe 75, but it is difficulty high. If you go below down, then you can see the related keyword will be here. Okay, all the keyword will be, you can see here. You can find three things is also here, like monthly search volume, paid difficulties, okay, and CPC. You can't find the SEO difficulties here. So what you have to do, you can select from their keyword, and you can select from their keyword, and you can go and again search there, upper search bar. Okay, and search there, and then you can find that related keyword. Then again you have to fill, I think you have to fill the captcha, and then you can do the same process. Another is, you are seeing another thing, you can see there, in the global you are seeing, and the global, actually the keyword global will be, that will display, and the below you are seeing this link, enable the deep search. Okay, up to 150 keyword there. If you enable this, then up to 150 keyword they will display you below. Okay, and in the global category, sorry, country, you can globally we did. So there, at that time you can do also a specific country wise. Next we will show you bulk keyword research tools. Okay, and the bulk, how can you find the data? So just click on there. We already clicked, and now you can come here, and this page will be open. After opening this page, you can type your keyword. So already they told you, enter the keyword, okay, below separated by the comma or new line. So you type the keyword, two three keyword, and you can give a comma also. Otherwise you can press enter, then you will go in the next line, then type next keyword, again type enter, and type next keyword. And related to that, like you want to make some heading, like what is Python, what is the use of Python. So type two three keyword, use Python what or something, type there, and click on the get data. So if you click on the get data, so all related to that keyword, they will search that all the uh, query of that data of that keyword. Okay, so it will take just sometimes, according to the net problem. So you can see now, you can see all the keyword is now in the below related to that keyword. You can find all those things here, but also here also you can find three things only: monthly search volume, paid competition, okay, and CPC. Three things only you can find, but third, which is most important, like SEO difficulties, that is, so that you cannot find here. So what you can do, this the same thing, you can click, you can copy, and you can search there. Go and search in the first I shown you there. You can go and search there in the keyword search. Okay, that you can do. Okay, somehow you have to do some you can do some, have to give a time. So because this is free, so you have to give some times on that. Okay, to say search the keyword, the good keyword. Okay, hope you guys understood this. And now third, we will go on the question explorer, and that, according to, you will type one or two keyword. According to that keyword, they will explore the question, they will make the question some. Okay, like what is Python, or what is the use of Python, I already what introduction of Python, like that. If you type introduction Python, so they will type phrase the question, and so many example, and so many questions they will floor, they will form: when, why, where, how. According to that, they will make the question. So just you can go type the keyword, one or two keyword. If you type, then they will relate to that keyword, they will display multiple question, and that you can use in your post. Okay, so in your heading and your some paragraph heading, you can type there, you can paste this question. According to this question, you can make the video also, blog also. Okay, you can see the multiple question, you can find hundred of hundred, more than 100 question you can find here. Okay, so you can see, check, go and check it here. And if you want to like related to, first go and search the keyword, and that keyword is good, so go, and if you want to make the question related to the head, for the heading, if you want to use that keyword, so go, come here and paste their your keyword, and make a for that find a question like related to your heading, find the question, and that question you can go and paste it there. If you want to know more information how can you do all those things, and you can do in your post, how can you write in the post, SEO friendly post which make to rank your post on the Google, so just comment down below, and I will make a step by step tutorial for that, and that will be very useful for you, and that will absolutely that will rank your post on the Google. So hope you guys you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. I know, because we are a student and in the beginning we didn't have money, so that time best this is tools is the best for, but if you have, if you can afford the tools, so go and buy the paid tools. I will give the link in the description in the below. And another paid tools is there which is paid, but if you want, then I will make a video on that, which will I will provide you absolutely free. That tools will be around up to 25 7 or $30 is there per month, but I will provide you absolutely free that tools for you. Okay guys, so for that, if you are, if you want that tools, so let me down in the comment below, and I will help you for that. Okay, so sorry, that tools will be for your actually YouTube. Okay, and let me down in the comment below, and I will make a video for that. Thank you, bye bye, and have a good day for you all guys, and hope you enjoy this video, and share this video to each and every friend, so that can also get the benefit from this video. And next video I will make, and I will also share you there, in the next video I will bring for the auto blogging. So auto blogging also will be there, like not, you can like copyright the, sorry, copy and paste there, and automatically you can fetch all the data from there and just posting in your blog, so that will also make your site down. Okay, so that also will not be there, just unique content you can write automatically from there. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and have a good day.